Hi there, just a reminder, Mills CNC Automation will be exhibiting at the Robotics and Automation Show at the CBS Arena in Coventry on the 2nd and 3rd of November. We will be showcasing 3 of the 10 Cobots in the Doosan range. Each one will be set up to provide an example of how easy to program, how versatile and how reliable Cobots can be in a production environment. If you want to see how Cobots can be quickly and seamlessly integrated into your production process, come along to us on stand 710, Robotics and Automation Show, 2nd and 3rd of November, CBS Arena, Coventry.